how to add or change your profile picture on Reddit. Hello guys, today I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First you will just go to Reddit and open it. Then when Reddit is open, you will just go here on your profile, open it, and then go to my profile, open it, then go to edit and go here, click, then click, for example, library, and click allow, and you have to choose a photo. For example, I would choose a photo from here, for example this, and then I will wait, and as you see now I will click save, and now I have a new picture. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.